therapy per se is, I would say, one of the very recent therapies that have evolved. The very first identity of play therapy can be seen in the work that Freud had done with one of his client who was a child and who suffered from some emotional issues. So he at that time had used some sort of play therapy or play based technique to help him resolve his conflicts. After that, there were many people who significantly contributed to use play as a therapeutic intervention for children. One of the most important pioneer was Virginia Axeline, whose work in the field of play and play therapy gave play therapy sort of a distinct identity. So what is play therapy in that case? Basically, play therapy is for children who are aged between 3 to 13 years of age. Again, when I say that it is more for children between 3 to 13 years, that does not rule out that adults and elderly don't have any role for play therapy. No, it is majorly for children, but it can be very beneficially used for adults as well as geriatric population. In play therapy, what happens is, or rather, what is play therapy is where we use play as a primary medium to help the child to understand his or her own conflicts, provide him with an unconditional, positive, non-judgmental environment where child has complete control over what kind of play he wants to initiate. And while he does that, he is able to explore, experiment through the play all the inside conflicts which keep on going into him, which he has probably not been able to ever express it out, and then even find resolution towards those conflicts. So all this happens via play. What play therapist does is that he or she facilitates this process in the children. Okay. Now, who's a play therapist? Play therapist in India, we have a little confusion, which I want to very clearly put it out, that there is no one qualification in India which has been designed to say that, okay, a person who does this particular degree or diploma shall be called as play therapist. Okay, so we are still not in a position where we have a standardized understanding of who can be a play therapist or who is a play therapist, at least in India. But if we are going to have our children connected with somebody who says that he or she is a play therapist, I would suggest to evaluate or to inquire into how much amount of training the person has gone through when it comes to play therapy. A person who has taken maybe 1 or 2 or few hours of some seminar or a workshop into play therapy just knows play therapy, he or she cannot be called as play therapist. At least an extensive and intensive training where the person has undergone supervision sessions with the clients practicing play therapy should be the person or the right person for whom you can take your child for play therapy sessions. Because the alliance that the therapist forms with the child, the way the therapist is going to facilitate the child to use play to understand, explore, and resolve the conflicts is the whole crux of play therapy. And the play therapist should be in a good position to do that. So please be very careful when you take your child to a play therapist. And remember that once you are at a right play therapist, your child is certainly going to benefit from play therapy per se.